everyone, and welcome to our first training on Xello, Xello. First thing you want to do, there's two ways you could access Xello. The first thing is going in through your Clever account. So all you have to do is go into Google and just type in Clever, and that would be for LAUSD. And when you go ahead and click, you sign in with your single sign-on through LAUSD, and then you will be able to either find it under favorites or under your resources, or by typing in Xello, Xello, and it's going to direct you to the dashboard. Another way that you could do this is by going into your Schoology. So each student on your homeroom courses, if you look on your left side, all the way at the bottom around here, you should be able to find Xello. And once you find it, you click, and it's going to take you to the platform as well. So there's two ways to find Xello and get access to it. Okay, so once you are on Xello, you are going to notice that it might look different than mine, but that's because as a teacher. So I'm gonna hit view as a student. 6, 7, and 8 have different lessons, but everything looks very similar. I will explain right now. If I go to grade 6 and I click view as a student, this is how it's going to look. For 6, 7, and 8, it looks very similar. The only difference for each grade level is the lessons. So for example, these lessons here are 6th grade. 7th grade has different lessons, and so does 8th. But everything else looks very similar and is very similar. So Xello is broken into 3 parts: the About Me, the Exploring Options, and the Goal Plans. This is how it's all divided. But then you also have those lessons that you will be working on. Notice that if you try to go into the lessons, it might have some prerequisites. Prerequisites, that means that you should complete some other things before you could complete this lesson. And that means that these are your prerequisites. I will explain more in other videos. So the first thing that you should do is focus on the About Me, okay? So again, these 3 parts are up here, but when you click on the About Me, it's gonna take you to your profile, okay? It's gonna tell you to start taking little quizzes, everything there. But the first thing you should do is change that photo. How can you change that photo? By clicking here, okay? And then you could put a photo that is appropriate, alrighty? And you could change that profile. Okay, the next thing is, if you notice, all of this is the About Me. You will be completing all of this on different dates. You could also include experiences, skills, interests, places, and storyboard. So for your artifacts, if you have done any PBLs or any projects, you are going to be uploading them here, and it's going to keep that profile for you. It's a portfolio. So if you did a PBL in any of your classes and you have it through YouTube, or you have it as a file, or it's on Instagram, whatever it is, okay, you could upload them here and it's going to save for you. Now, when you go ahead, again, we're going to talk more about the About Me and the Exploring Plans, but when you go ahead and click on Explore, you could also see all the different options that you have here to explore, okay? And the next one is plans. What plans might you have? So again, we are going to be exploring all of this little by little in future videos. So that's how you could go into Xello and the features that it has. Feel free to explore, and I will see you on other videos. Have a nice day.